Now in this subtask, we are going to be actually performing the calculations based on the choice given by the user. That is, previously displayed the menu and we redirected the user based on the option given by the user. Now we're going to be performing the actual function. So let's look at the addition and subtraction functions. There's also a change in the user input function. Coming to the code, we have our user input function, which is going to take an integer pointer a and b, and we're going to print out give to numbers on 2 lines, and we're going to print out number 1 is, and then we're going to take input from the user, and then we're going to print out number 2 is, and then we're going to take input from the user. So therefore we'll have two variables a and b, which will be the first and second number respectively. And after that, we have initialized our addition function, which is going to take a and b as an input, and it's going to return a plus b. Similarly, subtraction is going to give out a minus b. Now we have changed the calculator function. So what we have done is we've initialized two variables a and b, and if user choice is 1, then we're going to call the user input a and b to take input from the user, and after that we are going to initialize an output variable which will give the output of addition function with the two input variables given by the user, and after that we'll be printing out the sum. That is, we are performing the addition by calling the addition function and printing it out in the same if statement. And else if user choice is 2, that is when user wants to subtract, then we're going to take input from the user and we're going to call the subtraction function over here, and then we're going to just simply print out the answer. And if any other number is given, we're going to exit out of the program. Coming to the main function, we're going to call the calculator display function to display the menu, and after that we're going to ask the user to select an option, take that user choice and pass it on to the calculator function. Let's just run this code once. So let me use subtract, and let me take the number is 5 and 8. So you can see 5 minus 8 is minus 3, and we got another answer. Let's just submit this code once. So we passed both the test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.